Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that brings families and friends closer together, the Nixplay 10.1-inch touchscreen frame. We found this remarkable digital picture frame online, and I've added a link in the description below so you can check out the latest pricing and availability. Now, let's get into what makes the Nixplay digital picture frame so special. At its core, this 10.1-inch touchscreen frame is designed to display your cherished photos and videos seamlessly. But it offers so much more than just a place to showcase pictures. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, it allows you to share moments instantly from anywhere in the world, making it ideal for families separated by distance. One of the standout features of the Nixplay frame is its user-friendly setup process. You can get started in just 3 simple steps: download the Nixplay app, plug in the frame, and follow the on-screen instructions to upload your favorite photos and videos. The intuitive interface makes it easy for all ages to use, from tech-savvy teenagers to grandparents who might be less familiar with technology. Another incredible aspect is the ability to invite multiple users to upload their own photos to the frame. This means that family members or friends can share their own moments, creating a collaborative gallery of memories. Whether it's a birthday party, a wedding, or just everyday life moments, everyone can contribute. The Nixplay frame also stands out in how it connects with other platforms. You can easily import pictures and videos from popular sources like Apple Photos, Google Photos, Facebook, and Instagram. If you prefer not to use the mobile app, there's also a web interface and even the option to email photos directly to the frame. This flexibility makes it a versatile choice for anyone looking to showcase their digital memories. One of the best features of the Nixplay frame is its Nixcast function, which allows you to cast your photos and videos directly to a smart TV or computer. Imagine sharing your latest vacation photos on a big screen while gathered with family. Additionally, the Nix Events feature is a game-changer for gatherings. It enables guests to contribute photos to a shared album during events, creating a real-time slideshow that everyone can enjoy. This digital frame is perfect for a variety of users. If you're a parent or grandparent, it's a wonderful way to keep in touch with family members who live far away. You can preload the frame with photos and even a personalized message, making it a heartfelt gift right out of the box. It's also an excellent option for newlyweds who want to display their wedding memories, or for anyone who simply loves to capture and showcase life's precious moments. Practical use cases for the Nixplay frame are endless. Picture this: you're at a family gathering and the kids are playing, while the adults catch up. Instead of scrolling through phones or tablets, you can simply have the Nixplay frame showcasing a rotating selection of family photos that spark conversations and memories. Or, as you're preparing for a birthday party, you can set up a shared album where friends can upload their pictures throughout the event. In conclusion, the Nixplay 10.1-inch touchscreen frame is more than just a digital photo frame. It's a tool that connects families, preserves memories, and enhances the way we share our lives with one another. Its user-friendly design, versatile connectivity, and unique sharing features make it an excellent gift for anyone looking to celebrate connections